Yes, folks. This is the reason why we have this service call. The customer is feeling like a kind of vibration through the wall, right? It's like uncomfortable, a noise, right? And this is actually kind of new unit. Looking at you see, the low side, even if you feel it, there's vibration, right? The vibration normally through the wall, if you have any contact maybe with a wood or anything with the bricks, you're going to actually feel the vibration inside. So what could be causing the compressor to be vibrating this much? You see, until you see this cap is moving. So this is the situation we have with this unit. Could it be that the compressor is not running normally? Or what is the issue? It's vibrating. It's actually giving a strong vibration along the low side copper line, the suction line. The discharge line is okay. So yeah, the vibration is actually, when I put some pressure on the condensing unit, it's not even through the condensing unit itself, the coil, it's the compressor. It shows that this vibration is from the compressor. Even when you hold it like this, you still feel it. You feel it vibrating, like vibrating. And this vibration goes through right into the indoor unit. Okay, so let's see what happened now. I need to open it and try to see if it is screwed. The shock absorbers is okay or something. So